Hello, I'd like to show you how to put together your cube. So the arrows indicate where the top of the picture should be. So I'm going to use some of these pictures that some of you have submitted. Looking over here, I could see this one is not cropped. We really need to crop your picture before you put it in your cube. So let's take this picture. Very nice job. And you're going to click, hold, and drag, size down this picture. And I'm going to put it, you're going to size from the corner. Please don't do that. That distorts the picture. Size your picture down by the corner and try to get it within those black lines, even if you have to size it like just a little teeny bit. Okay, so for speed's sake, I'm going to just paste this one here. And then I'm going to take this dodahedron, and I can see that this is the bottom where the hand is. And so that would be, this is the top where that little handle is. And you can rotate by grabbing that handle. If you hold your shift, it will constrain it. And when the arrow is pointing up, I want the top of the picture to be pointing up also. Because when I fold it, then it will look better. Now I'm sizing it from the corner, but I can just, if you need to just tweak it a little on one end, that's okay too. And you could put as many different pictures as you like, or you can, if you like, use 2 or 3 pictures. That's up to Mrs. Demakis. I'm just gonna, for time's sake, copy this, rotate it, and place it here. See how the arrow is pointing down? So I want the top to also, there's the top. The top has the handle on it. Once you copy it once, you don't have to copy it again. You can just paste. I'm going to hold down my shift key and that will help to constrain it. And again, there's the arrow pointing up. I'm going to put it right there and kind of bring it down a little bit. I don't want to distort it though. If you don't want to distort, you should always size by the corner. Holding down the shift constrains. Here's the corner, okay? Always size by the corner. And see how the arrow is again pointing down, and the top of this picture, the handle is pointing down. That's the top. And, oh, wait, I want to fix that just a little. And, oops, oof, voila. There you have your cube. And then you're going to print this out, preferably in color, if you color printers. And then you can, if you could print it out on cardstock, that would be great. And then you can just fold it up into a cube and you're done. I hope this helps.